Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the 5 top winning products that you can sell on your Shopify account. Now, before I get into the video, one thing that you need to do if you do not have a Shopify account is click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Because when you start a e-commerce website on Shopify, you can start earning income. And obviously, when you use the products that we're going to show you today in this video, they will greatly help you because we have done extensive research in selecting these top 5 winning products that will ensure that you'll be able to sell them instantly when you put them on your Shopify account. And the reason behind why these 5 products are winning product is because these are the products that are being promoted on different social media such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and individuals are looking forward to finding these products and getting a good deal. So if you can find these products at a relatively cheaper price and then sell it at a higher price and increase your profit margin, you'll be able to turn your Shopify account into a lucrative online e-commerce business. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that you need to do is head over to AliExpress. Now, the first product that I'm going to show you is very interesting. This is the Slushy Maker. Now, obviously, once you search for Slushy Maker on AliExpress, you will get a lot of hits. Now, there are different applications, there are different websites that are available, but the best one is AliExpress because you will find a cheap deal over here, but you can increase the price and sell it at a higher and get an increase in your profit margin. Now, if you look at the prices that are available, this is for $3.85, this is for $14, this is for $4. And if you scroll down, you'll find different price ranges that are available. Now, the two things that you need to keep in mind before you buy any product is the fact that what is the price that it's being sold on? And the second thing is how many have this sold? Now, obviously, this product has been sold 497 times at a price tag of $3.85. But if you scroll down, you want to find a seller that has sold more than them. Then obviously you will check out the price for it, then compare it, and then select it. So this is the best price we're finding over here. So let's select this product. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. Now, obviously, you'll have the full detail, the amount of reviews, the amount of orders, and the different pictures that are available. Now, the beauty of AliExpress is that all the information that you need to put on your Shopify account is already present for you, from the title, from the pictures, from the descriptions, and obviously the specifications are also given. So all you need to do is get this information from here and then move it to your Shopify account and you're good to go. It's very simple and straightforward. The second product is called the Air Stretcher. Now, this is a very interesting product. The reason why we have selected it as a winning product is because this is a need product. Now, there's two different types of product that are available. One is a want and the other is a need. Now, the Slushy Maker was a want. It was not a need, but this is a need because this is being used medically. Because if you have any issues with your neck, if you want to stretch it, you want to stretch your spinal cord, or you have any sort of injury, this product can be used. And obviously, because this is a need product, you can sell it at a higher rate. Now, if you look at the product over here, the two elements that you need to look out for, the first one is the price. So it's for $3.73, $1, which is a different product. Obviously, as you scroll down, you'll see different products available. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is how many have been sold by this particular seller. So this is a product for $3.73, which is the same over here, but they have sold 2,217 of this particular products. Now, if you scroll down, you want to find someone who has sold more than 2,000. We can't find anyone over here, so we're going to go for this particular product. So let's select this product. Once you click on it, it will take you to the next page. On this page, it's going to give you a complete breakdown of what the product is, the pictures for the products, and all you need to do is get this product from here and then put it on your Shopify account. This is for $3.73, but it's been discounted 55%, so you can actually get it for $8.29. But because this is a need product, you can increase the price maybe to $20 or even $30. And obviously, once someone buys it, you'll be able to make a massive profit from it. You have your description, you have your reviews, and also the specifications are available for you to use as well on your Shopify account. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. If you have not created a Shopify account, I would suggest to scroll down to the description, click on the link, and get it for 90 days because seeing is believing. The third product which we have selected is called touch locks. Now, once we search for touch locks, you will get these fingerprint padlocks that are available. Now, obviously, again, the two things we have to look out for is the price, and the second thing is the amount that have been sold. This is for $18.79. This is a branded one, and 314 have been sold. But at the same time, this is for $10, and 286 have been sold. If you scroll down, we'll see different sellers that are selling a similar product, and we can check how many they have sold. So let's select a product from here. If you scroll down, we're able to find products, but the pricing is high, or the shipping cost is very high, or even the amount that is sold is very low. So let's go straight up back to this product over here. This is for $10.15, and obviously this has been sold 286 times, so we'll select this product. So once we click on it, it will take us to the next page. On this page, we can see that you get a 30% discount if you buy two. So if you buy more than one, you'll get a further 30% discount, and obviously you will have the description as well as the specification of this particular product that you can use. The fourth product, which I absolutely love, is the portable door lock. Now, obviously this is a product which is being used every single day with individuals, and this is a very useful product, and that is one of the reasons why we've included it, because it meets the requirement of a product that will definitely sell on Shopify. So you will find a product price, and then you will select the amount that have been sold. So let's select the product over here. Now this product is for $2.99, and 1,732 items have been sold already. And the actual profit margin over here is massive, because if you get it for $3 and you sell it for at least $12, $13, or even $15, you'll be able to make a massive profit on this particular product. So this is a product we're going to go for. We're going to click on it. It will take us to the next page where it's going to have all the information that we require to ensure that we can actually display this information in the proper way to our audience. Now, the other thing which I'm going to mention, and this is a tip that I'm going to give you, besides developing a Shopify account, I would highly suggest to connect your Facebook and your social media, especially your TikTok, with your Shopify account to ensure that whenever a new product is actually put on, you have audience that comes to your Shopify account, and you can turn those audience into loyal customers that would buy from your particular store. And once they buy it and they get a quality product, and they get a product that's helpful and useful at the same time, they will definitely recommend it to more people to buy it from your store. The last product that I'm going to share with you is called the Ice Roller for the Face. Now, this is a brilliant product which is being used by so many individuals right now, because it's going to make you look younger. It will help you with fatigue, and obviously this is something at the end of the day you want to use because it will help you relax. So we'll find the price for it. This product is for $3.72, and 1,036 have been sold. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the other amounts that are available. The price is high or low, how many have been sold. So we'll select a product from here, and once we select a product, we'll be able to get the descriptions, and this is the best product we've seen right now when it comes to price and the quantity being sold. And the profit margin also is available over here that can increase massively. So these are the top 5 winning products that you can easily use for your Shopify account. You can get them, you can sell them, and you can use all the information that is available for each one of them and put it on your Shopify account, and also share it on your social media. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, do let us know in the comment section below. If you feel you have a product that is also a winning product, do share it with us as well. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out about the 5 top winning products of 2022. Until our next video, take care.